Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this nice looking fruit and yogurt parfait. So now I'm going to show you how I made this fruit and yogurt parfait. Firstly, I'm using this Greek yogurt. This is apple, strawberry, banana and grapes, and this is the granola. So now I'll start with the apple. I'm going to slice the apple into small tiny pieces. So I'm going to cut the apple, dice it into small pieces. So away and cut it into small pieces. As you can see, I'm not going to cut it too big and not too small, just to fit in. And next one is the strawberry, just to take the root away and the cut into tiny pieces. So as you can see, just cut it and dice, and then after that then you put in the another container or in a bowl. Yeah, same as banana, just cut into small pieces. Yeah, you cut, and after that you put aside. Yeah, you put aside. Then now we're going to mix the yogurt. This is Greek yogurt, you can use any yogurt of your choice. So now you can just put a bit of honey. If you want to use sugar, you can use that, but I prefer honey, so I use honey just to sweeten the yogurt. Now it's time to put everything in the cup. As you can see, I've got 3 cups, but I'm just going to show you how to do 2 out of the cups. So firstly, you put the yogurt in the cup, and yes, you start with the yogurt. Make sure you put enough yogurt, and then you put a granola and the yogurt. Put enough granola as well, and then you can put yogurt on top. You know, this yogurt is going to help. Do you know the granola is kind of hard, it's kind of crunchy, so this yogurt, when you put on top as well, is going to soften the granola, so when you are heating it, it's going to make it nice. Then you're putting the apple, and just put as much as you like, it's all depends on your choice. Then you can put banana, just try and arrange it inside a cup so that it doesn't look too scattered. Just try and arrange it inside a cup, and then you can put the strawberry in there. Yes, you can see, just put the strawberry, and then your grapes too. So you just put everything, should not be too small and not too much. Just put everything in right proportion. Yeah, and then later you can put the yogurt on top of the fruit, so as to make it rich, because the taste of the yogurt as well is really nice, tastes nice. Then you can just put your granola on top of the yogurt that you just put. You put your granola, and you put the fruit as well. So just arrange it on the granola now. The fruits, this is strawberry. It all depends on the choice of fruits. You may use any of these fruits or just your own choice. You can use grapes, you can use raspberry, you can use watermelon, any fruit of your choice that you want to combine together for this fruit and yogurt parfait. It's up to you. It all depends on what you want. So this is what I prefer. That's why I'm using all of these fruits. So you can just put the yogurt on top of it, and you can see, just turn it around so that it will all be equal. Then you sprinkle the granola on the yogurt, as you can see. So you can still put the fruit on top of the sprinkled granola. Then you cover. At least with this, you can put it in the fridge, and it's really nice, as you can see. So now we're going to do the second one. You start with the yogurt as well. Just put the yogurt, yeah, at the base of the cup, and then you put the granola. It all depends on the yogurt you want or the granola you want, as in the quantity. Just put as much as you like. So you just put the granola, and then you can put the yogurt as well. So just to soften the granola, it really helps and makes it taste nice. Yes, when the granola is also not too crunchy, it makes it taste nice. So you put the fruits. Start with the apple. You can start with any of these fruits. So I'm just starting with the apple, and then I'm also putting the banana in there, and then you can add more banana. It all depends on your choice. And then you put the strawberry. Yeah, just put the strawberries and arrange in the cup. Put the strawberry and then the grapes in there. Yeah, the grapes. So just put, and you can put granola. The first one I did, I just put yogurt there. So it all depends on the way you want to arrange it. So I just put, let me put granola in here before I put the yogurt. So you can do it the same way you're heating it. It's still the same fruits, the same thing, but you're arranging it in different ways. So I can, yeah, I'm just putting the yogurt now. As you can see, the yogurt is coming down already, so it's going to help. And you can just arrange the fruits on the yogurt, as you can see. And you can take all the fruits as well, like banana. Yeah, put on there. You put, and then you can top it as well with apple, and you just sprinkle the granola on it. So as you can see, this looks so nice. Trust me, it tastes yummy. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Let me know when next you're making this. Thanks for watching. Bye.